everyone, Miss Allison here. I'm going to show you how to use the highlighter tool on Google Documents. So part of this assignment is you're going to need to highlight different pieces of text, different color. I'm not going to show you which pieces of text to highlight. I'm going to show you how to use the tool. So if you look at this bar up top right here, you see this right here. It looks almost like a paintbrush or a highlighter. When you click on it, you see a variety of colors show up. What you need to do is find the piece of text that you need to highlight. For instance, I'm going to highlight the title and then select the corresponding color according to the key that's posted above. So I can make it green, I can make it whatever color I want. Then it's done. If you make a mistake, you can always hit the back arrow right here and go back, or do Control Z for that. Make sure as you're highlighting you get the entire piece of text. So if you do like this and it's not, that's the part that you want, that's great. But if you are accidentally missing like part of a word, like down here, that's going to be confusing as your teachers are looking at this, okay? So just make sure that you're being really precise and careful. Good luck, and I hope it goes well.